Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker. We are going to start with our beads and our fishing line. The first thing that we want to do is string our beads onto our fishing line. So I've got a piece of felt right here, which I'm gonna pour my beads out onto, which will just keep my beads from rolling all over the table. I'm gonna take one bead and I'm gonna tie a knot around that bead. Nothing super fancy, just right over left, left over right. And that will keep all of the other beads that I put on this string from falling off. Take that fishing line and string all of our beads. Now take our string of beads and actually just follow the grooves of our little turtle and put those beads in all of the grooves. I'm gonna take one of my glues, my E6000, and I start by doing the circle around the turtle. Oh, and to start off, I got a big old globby gooby mess. That's what happens when you first open a container. That's okay. Just going to put some right in there along the groove, and then take our beads and put them in the groove, kind of push it into place, push those beads into place rather, right where we want them. This is something we have to be patient with, because if we move too quickly, then those beads will fall out of the groove where we want them to be. And then pull that string out, and the beads are going to stay right where we want them. Isn't that cool? Add a little bit more glue. I'm gonna go all the way around. We've almost got the main circle of him done. Just lay those beads right in the groove of the turtle. Now we are going to do the outer little pieces. We're only gonna have like 2 or 3 beads. Try and keep my head out of the camera. By having those beads strung on that line, it really does make applying them so easy. You don't have to use tweezers and apply each little bead. They all just go right in line, right where you want them to. Okay, now I'm going to start applying the beads on the inside of his shell, just doing the same technique that I've already been doing. If you make a little bit of mess with the glue, it's okay, because we're gonna cover him up with other stones as well. Keep those beads right in that groove, pressing it into place with my finger, and then we just pull that out. For the next step, I'm going to take all of these mother of pearl pieces that are this gorgeous aqua color, and they have this like just shine to them, that mother of pearl shine that is just so pretty. They come in all different sizes, and that is going to be perfect because that means we are going to be able to put those stones in every little nook and cranny on the shell of our turtle. To do that, I'm going to start at the top and just kind of work my way down. I'm going to take my E6000 glue. I'm almost done with this tube, but I have a second tube. I'm just going to fill a whole section with the glue, squeeze that in. This is where your craft tweezers will really come in handy, because it'll be so much easier to pick up those stones and put them into place with the tweezers. Pick up each little stone, put it in where you need it. We've got our first section filled. Now I am going to just keep moving around. The last stone in place. Yay! Oh, he's so cute. I'm gonna put him over here. I love this turtle, this cute little slowpoke. He is just darling. How can you not love? I have named him Gus. How can you not love Gus? I want to thank you for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming tutorials. And as always, you can find me at my home base at thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.